Hello everyone, welcome back to Exam Doubts. I hope you are doing all well. After seeing that video poster, you have an idea what I am going to tell about in this video. So let's start. I have been seeing your messages and I can understand you are stressed. So everyone is checking Gmail again and again and thinking, did I get rejected or did I get passed? So don't worry, today I will clear all your confusion. I will answer the four most important questions that everyone is asking. So watch till end, you will feel much better. So let's start the video. So I want to share you these four questions what I have created, and most of the person is asking this question. So I will explain these one by one. So let's start with the first question. When will we get the Viva Mail? So most of the people think it will come immediately, but actually it takes 3 to 7 working days, or less than 3 days, or more than 7 days. It's totally depend on the Accenture. So the question is, why this delay? So the answer is, because Accenture checks both your coding test and the Viva together. So if you didn't get the mail yet, it doesn't mean you are got rejected. It just means your result is still processing and you are in the queue. And if we will go through the second question, a lot of person are asking, my friend got the mail but I didn't get, so much I am stressed. See, I can see and I can know your feeling, and you are especially feeling bad for that. You see others getting mails and you are panic. But listen, Accenture process students in a different batch. Your friend might be in another batch or another system. So relax. If you didn't get the mail yet, it doesn't mean you failed. So if you are waiting more than 7 days, just put a comment in the comment box. I will go through that. So who will get the Viva call? Does everyone will get the Viva call, or just a specific person who passed that coding assessment? See, the answer is not only the some will get the Viva call. Those who have assisted the hands-on exam, everyone will get the Viva Mail. Accenture checks your overall performance, coding plus Viva. See, they want to see how well you can explain your logic. So even if your coding was average, you can still get the Viva Mail, because they want to give you a chance to speak, chance to explain your code, chance to explain your logic. So just prepare for your Viva. Don't delay, don't waste your time. If you will waste your time, then it's your Viva is like it's gone. Some of the people are getting Viva like 30 minutes before only, like Accenture is sending mail and asking them to join just 30 minutes before, without preparing how you all will join. See, and the fourth question most of the people are asking, see, I only did the to do past test cases, I didn't run, am I rejected? See, the answer is the no, the bold no. Many students face this problem, time issue or platform issue, but don't worry, your Viva is your second chance. If you explain your code properly, even incomplete, you will still have a good chance. So I want to show you something like you can see this mail, like some candidates got this mail just 10 minutes or 20 minutes before the Viva exam, and have to inform them to join them immediately. But after joining it, they said you can leave the meeting, or the meeting was cancelled. So you have to prepare well for your Viva. Don't wait for the Viva mail. And there are some questions around the group, like people are asking, when if I didn't get the Viva mail, I am failed, like that. See, I already told you the hands-on and Viva is not separated, it's all connected together. For this I will show you one thing. You can check your mail, like there are two assessment, MCQ assessment and practical assessment and Viva. In these two assessment, the practical assessment means the hands-on assessment. Hands-on assessment and Viva voice are not separate, it's together. So after completion of hands-on, and then you will get the Viva. The minimum qualifying score is 60%. So don't think you won't get the Viva mail. It's definitely you will get. So don't worry about that. So I want to tell you one more thing. So final point, stop worrying about your perfect code, start preparing how to explain your logic clearly. Also check your spam and promotion folders in mail, then maybe they will send there also. So see, now you can tell me in comments what was your hands-on topic and what was your hands-on date. If this video is helpful for you, then please like and subscribe this channel Exam Doubts. I am always with you. If is there any doubt, you can ask me in comment. I will help you.